Hey guys, so it's Friday. Got the car loaded up with all the doggies. Brookie's back there somewhere. Oh my gosh. And hello. Anyway, we're heading to Pugwash for the night. We're gonna go spend the day at the beach. I'm so excited. My niece is supposed to be coming. My mother and a friend from college is coming with her girls. So we just stopped. Lexi had to pick up her charger from Miss Linda. So that's what we're doing. So excited. I didn't go to work today because I needed to take a family day. So I'm gonna take advantage. Nala, get in the back, Bubba's. Get in the back. Good girl. Oh, come on, back. Go back. It's like there's no space, Nala. Nala, hey, back. Come on, you can't fit there with her. Get in the back.
Yes, she can.
Get in the back.
Whatever she wants, she
don't.
can do.
You can sit right here when she gets buckled. There, sit right there.
Yeah.
Is that good?
Now we're good, Dada.
Now we go. Now let's see if we can see Brookie back there. There, Brookie. Get the air conditioning going. It is already, it says 25, but it feels like it's 30 degrees out already, so.
I love the temperature.
Definitely a beach day. Yeah, it's good, eh? We're on. Sharper than a knife. There's not a lower than being the last one. So yeah, we've made it to the beach. It is, what was it, 33 when we got here? And it's 2 o'clock right now. We got here at what, 1? No. Like quarter after 1:30, something like that? So, you definitely need to be in water on a day like this. That for sure. She's floating out to sea. It's okay, you'll get stuck on the sandbar. So you won't go too far. Ooh, you're stuck on something. She'll lean right back.
Wait, that's my leg. Rose leg. Wait, I don't know this way.
Girls have pets. Did you put the shellless one in there?
No, she killed it.
Oh, she killed it. So we got hermit crabs.
They're dead.
What?
They're dead. They're all dead.
They're dead. She bites at the tires. We're home from the beach and I am burnt, like burnt. You see this burnt everywhere. But it was so nice and I got to see my friend and the girls had fun and Mama had fun. Okay. And now Alexis is going to show us something.
Your mother should buy you a baton.
Yes, I was trying to think of the word.
It's not that long, just a baton that you can twirl around like that.
Isn't it cool though? Like,
Very cool.
Yeah.
You do it so
you're doing
smoothly.
I did not. Carmen said go get her one and one of each of those bottles in there. She's the one that told him to get it.
Okay, so away you went.
Well, you're gonna have to poke that cork down because it's all torn to pieces.
I'll try.
Well, if you knew what you were
Let me
doing.
I
try.
know. Did you play?
Hey, I didn't. Didn't you notice? Why would anybody say that? Don't get out and turn that off when you noticed that I wasn't doing it.
I think she might have been trying to be a little bit sarcastic there.
Oh, was that it?
I think so,
She's
maybe.
never been sarcastic.
I was trying to show people that what happens when you try to cook us some snacks.
Oh, this is not good.
Why?
Boy,
Because these are burning on the bottom.
And?
And the pizza's burning on the top.
Sounds like it's going to be a terrific snack.
It may not be edible by the time we get finished. I'm gonna put it on Andy. Stop.
You're not doing anything.
That's right, you're not.
Well, what do you want me to do?
Nothing.
All right then.
Well,
Yeah.
there we go.
Do you want me to come over and get it? I mean,
You want me
open
to
that
do it?
wine bottle.
Do you
no
want me to
problem.
help you?
No. Joanne, turn
Yeah.
that damn thing off.
What?
That's why
There
I
we
didn't
go.
turn off the fire alarm because I knew she'd say no.
Exactly.
Yeah.
She wants to do it all herself.
Did everybody play but me?
Yes.
Okay.
Huh.
Hate to point out that you didn't guess any of the kiwi pear wine.
Get it yourself.
I don't even want it.
What?
The kiwi pear.
Huh?
Nothing.
Yes, it is something.
Keeps the kiwi pear wine. She said, you didn't get me any. I said, get it yourself.
Keep me where? Wine.
The kiwi pear
Wine. I wanted some.
I
I wanted some for you fellas.
know. Do you want it in one of these little glasses? Or
Yes.
Do you want it in
That's what I wanted it.
Yeah, it tastes better that way. I don't know why, but
Yeah, that's out of that white bottle. It's kind of murky. Gary was down at
What are you doing, baby?
something on her.
Hi guys, so we're home now. Just sitting here enjoying a Frosty Mike's lemonade or whatever it's called. But it's 31 degrees again here in Enfield. It was cooler back at my parents' place, but it's 31 degrees here. So hot. And we're all just chilling out. The pup, all the dogs, I don't know if you see Brookie sleeping. Emma's over, where are we at? They're sleeping because they had a busy weekend. Obviously saw they were playing with my niece's new puppy and well, her two dogs, and one of them's a pup. So they're tired, and now we're just waiting for Paul to get home. He works until this evening sometime. And yeah, that's it. So we're just gonna relax. I am so tired. I was so tired yesterday from being at the beach all day because it was 34 degrees, and I got a nice tan going. But it's like it just zaps all the energy. So yeah. So now I'm just gonna relax. Probably even fall asleep before my husband gets home. But anyway, that's it for now. And I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.